Well, look at this morning, guys. 35 degrees. June the 2nd. That is a cool morning out. Oh, well, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the cabin. It's a beautiful June morning. The temperature's about 55 degrees, so it's a little cool this morning. But it's beautiful out for working. The black flies are just coming out. I'm sure they'll be hitting me in full force here in a few minutes. Today, I'm going to do a little road work, and this is the section of road that I'm going to work on today. This is the lower half of the road. It's about, probably about half a mile. And although it doesn't look like it, it is rutted up quite bad. It's hard to tell probably in the video. And it's very dry, so it's hard to tell, but it is rutted up. And if it was raining, there would be a lot of mud puddles. So I am going to fix this up today. I'm glad I waited a little longer this year. And the last year when I did this, it was about late May and we had a lot more rain. And the road was, it might have been just a little too early because the road was kind of muddy and made it a lot harder to do it. So today is a much better day. And I do have the Woods box blade on. This thing is a beast. Man, I love this thing. What a great job it does on the road, and it's so easy. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to take these teeth and I'm going to set them down. And the first couple of passes on the road, I'm going to rip up the old gravel, the compacted stuff. And after I do a few runs, I'm going to put the teeth back up in this position, and then I'm just going to run the blade a couple times up and down. That should fill in all the holes nicely. And then I'm going to just use my top link and I'm going to rotate this thing so that it goes this way, and then it will kind of ride on underneath of this blade here and this rear one, and it'll just, instead of pulling stuff, it'll just smooth everything out real nice. All right, sounds like a plan. I guess it's time to get to work. Okay, this kid says he got his lawnmower stuck here in the gravel pit. Let's see if I can give him a push out. His lawnmower. I think we're going to push that out of there. By the way, you're going to be on YouTube. Oh. Because we don't often see a lawnmower stuck in a gravel pit. It's all good though. I've done things like this before too. So, all right, let's get that thing out of there. I wish I had brought some chains with me, but. That is muddy. Yeah. Wow. That is just muck.
I got in here, I didn't know it was that soft.
Yeah.
We
just had a little, I didn't expect to find anything stuck, but if I had a chain, I could just hook onto that and pull you out real easy.
I know.
Oops. She's not the sturdiest thing, is it? Okay, I think we can lift it out of here.
Yeah, I can do that.
Hang on. Try to get a place to grab onto this thing. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So, I think we're almost there now.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Maybe
There now.
the rear end and swing it over.
You think it's going to start?
I don't know. It overheats and then it won't start.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Is it in neutral now? It is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be.
So let's try to, you and me, push this thing out of here. We'll just go straight.
I can try to start it.
There. Now, where'd you come in? Right here? Well, there. Well, I got the kid out. What can you say? I mean, I just kept telling myself I was young once too. I don't think I did anything like that, but I was. No, I've done some pretty stupid things too. So, anyways, but he was in the muddiest part of the pit. He's quite soft there, and yeah. On his lawnmower, so he's good to go. And now I'm back to work on the road. I'm gonna get a bucket of gravel here as I go back up the road. Now, some people ask me about my gravel, so this is it. It's not a huge gravel pit, but it's a good resource to have. So that's what my gravel looks like. Now it does have a bit of shale in it, which gives it kind of a bit of a dark red kind of tint to it, especially when it's wet. Now, I know last year when I did the road, a couple of people said it looked like mud, but it's just the shale in it when it gets wet. it even gets like kind of a even darker red kind of tint to it. But it's really good gravel. It's good stuff. It packs down solid, and you know, gives me a nice road, and hey, it doesn't cost me anything. So there, I'm going to call that a job well done. Man, those box blades are the cat's meow. I love these things. It just makes this work so much easier and that much more fun to do. Now I believe I've earned a cool one, and I'm going to have one. But man, one thing about it though, when it's this dry, everything is just so dusty. When you're doing this, it's just a cloud of dust. And I'm getting quite thirsty, so time to get something to wash all this dust down. Well, all right guys, I'm back at the cabin, and it's good to have the road done. Well, I got part of it done anyways. I got the lower half done today, and that's good. I'll do the rest of it another time. Note to self, always carry chains on the tractor, because you never know when a lawnmower is going to be stuck in the mud. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and get something cool and refreshing to drink. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. If you're new, subscribe, hit the little bell icon to be notified of new videos. Smash the old thumbs up button if you don't mind. I appreciate the support. And leave me some comments below. I love reading those comments, guys. Keep them coming. And we'll see you guys soon back here at the cabin.